The workshop on intellectual property rights held at Panimalar Engineering College on 10th January 2019 by Dr.E.Bhaskaran on behalf of Institution Innovation Council and MHRD. The program was very informative, productive and engaging as well. Here's an excerpt.
So whatever you have done in innovation, that will be known to throughout world. That property belongs to you. That is called intellectual property right.
Students got various insights and ideas on intellectual property. We also had a glimpse on various categories like copyrights, geographical indications, design, trademarks, branding of products, patents and the procedure to file them. Also, the various laws that involves protection of intellectual property rights for an individual are explained. The speaker showcased his own documentation of his innovations for further understanding. We found that every innovation matters and can be proved as an ownership through intellectual property rights.
I would like to thank AICTE and MHRD on behalf of our college for giving us such wonderful council called the Innovation Council. And today the morning session on the workshop IPR Intellectual Property Rights, which was given by Dr.E.Bhaskaran. It was really a wonderful session for all the innovators and the young technocrats of our college. So the topics he covered like what is intellectual property, the history of intellectual property, world intellectual property, its roles and functions, and the Indian intellectual property, its roles and functions. And he also told how to file a patent application, a trademark application, and also how to file a copyright application. He also showed some of his patent records and his design application for tricycles for physically disabled people. And the session was really very nice. I would also like to thank Panimalar Engineering College once again for giving us such a wonderful auditorium for giving the workshop. Thank you.